Michael, welcome back.
Hey, Kelly.
So,
thanks for having me on.
Thank you for joining us. What is going on with chicken wing prices? I mean, is the worst behind us?
We saw a significant deflation in wing prices, our core commodity, and you have seen the overall price of the bird come down significantly. And it does seem like a lot of that inflation's behind us. And what's been really nice for Wingstop is, in addition to experiencing meaningful deflation earlier than most other brands have seen, it put us in a spot where we didn't have to take price in 2022. And in fact, we're able to lean into value and really see strong growth in our brand that resulted in us delivering our 19th consecutive year of same-store sales growth.
Yeah, to make sure people caught that, you didn't have to raise prices last year, and it sounds like in some ways you were actually able to cut them back a little bit. You didn't have a problem with higher labor costs?
We got in front of labor, and we were able to navigate that, but we have a unique position at Wingstop in that we have a proven value playbook that allows us to lean in and provide that indulgent occasion to consumers. But in addition to that, we were able to also pull several unique growth levers that we have that brought a lot of new guests in to Wingstop. And while you've seen a lot of other restaurant companies see transaction loss in 2022 because of the pricing they took, we actually saw our comp in Q4 alone of 8.7% being driven entirely by transaction growth.
Wow. Okay, so that answers, a little bit of the conversation we were just having. Is it all nominal? But like you said, there's more transactions. So ZipRecruiter, your colleague, the CEO, will be on next hour. Their stock is down today. They've said in the first few weeks of 2023, employers have moderated their hiring plans and reduced recruitment budgets. Are you seeing signs of that happening? In other words, maybe just at the margin, labor demand softening, the consumer acting maybe a little bit more cautious or unpredictable?
We see a lot of the same headlines out there around the overall labor environment, but for Wingstop, we're unique. We're growing. In Q4 alone, we opened 61 net new restaurants. And I think just by delivering that number that culminated in a record development year for our brand showcases that we're not having trouble staffing. And in fact, we're growing. And we guided earlier this morning to what will set up to be another record year of development. We're expecting roughly 240 net new restaurants in 2023.
So what's the price of, say, chicken wings now versus, are we at lower than pre-pandemic levels?
We are. We're actually seeing the price of chicken wings near $1, which is much lower than the historical average price, which is really translating to strong unit economics for our brand partners and a lot of what's fueling that unit growth that I just referenced.
Hey, so refresh me. I thought we were at about $1.50, maybe pre-pandemic went up to about $3. So now we're down to $1. I mean, it's a microcosm in some ways. I wonder about whether these shortages have turned into gluts. How do we end up with a glut of chicken wings at the same time we've had avian flu herd? I know they're different kinds of chickens, the egg chickens versus yours, but how do we end up with a glut?
Yeah, I think you had a lot of production as the labor force did come back for a lot of these poultry producers. They increased production as spending. You saw the consumer coming out of this post-pandemic environment and really wanting to dine out. And you saw them leaning into other parts of their menu, the dine-in business, more, if you will, of the chicken breast meat utilization, which resulted in a lot of extra wings out there, which was good for Wingstop.
Yeah, so final question on that front, and we could see, I don't know if the term bullwhip is the correct one here, but the problem when you don't manage inventory, not you, the sort of society at large, correctly, is that you keep swinging from shortages to gluts. We have a glut right now, which means producers are probably going to cull, which means we could then have another shortage again, prices go up and so forth. I mean, could you be dealing with kind of reverberations like that for years to come?
The leading indicators that we look at suggest a pretty favorable commodity backdrop in 2023. And I think everyone out there is trying to figure out exactly what demand looks like in the back half of 23. But as we look at some of those key leading indicators, it suggests it's going to be a favorable commodity backdrop for Wingstop in particular. And a lot of what went into an industry leading guide that we provided this morning for 2023.
Fascinating. Well, certainly lower prices, like you said, supporting customer visits. It's unfair to have you on Ash Wednesday. I'm drooling, Michael. Thank you so much for your time.